Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Sun Ventures. And you know, we all heard about French cheese, Italian cheese. Well, how about Nepali goat cheese? आलु बखरा
यसमा चाहिँ यो ब्रान्डी बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ मर्चाहरू राखेर बनाउँछु।
हजुर
यो वाइनहरू बनाउने क्रममा चाहिँ त्यो ट्युबको सुगर चेक गर्छु कति सुगर छ। त्यसको सुगरको आधारमा चाहिँ 5 किलो टोटल इक्वल पर केजी सुगर राखेर बनाउँछु।
5 किलो। अनि तपाईले यो कति वर्ष बस्नु भयो हजुर फ्रान्समा?
28 दिन बस्नु।
28 दिन? सिक्किममा जानु ट्रेनिङमा 28 दिन हजुर बसेर सबै
फ्रान्समा बस्दाखेरि नि बेल्जियममा 3 महिना बसेँ।
हजुर
तर फ्रान्समा बस्दाखेरि आँखा नभएको अन्धो कान नसुन्ने बन्धु बोल्न नसक्ने लाटोको अवस्थामा थियो। तर पनि म केही
हिम्मत हाल्नु भएन हैन?
अफोर्ड गऱ्यो भनेदेखि त सकिँदो रहेछ नि।
सकिन्छ स्याम्पल हान्ने होला नि ओइ ट्राई गर्ने।
ट्राई गरौँ
न अङ्कल कसरी खान्छ यो?
यसको पिसको 1500 रुपियाँ पर्छ। यसको 250 रुपियाँ पर्छ
पिसको है?
हजुर। केजीको चाहिँ यसको 4000, यो सफ्टको चाहिँ 3000 रुपियाँ।
वाउ यो ट्राई गर्छौँ न अङ्कल। क्र्याकर्स होला नि हजुरसँग? बिस्किट्स टाइपको केही छ त्यो चिजमा? So he's been up to in France for 28 days and he learned how to make cheese, and now he's in Nepal for 21 years. He's been making cheese and wine.
With that.
There we go. It's almost like very, very thick cream cheese. Mm-hmm. Where you have that the fattiness of goat present on it, bro. It's just like now we have another cheese.
धन्यवाद अङ्कल।
त्यो अघि मैले पहिला दिएको चाहिँ ग्रिन सलादमा स्लाइस गर्ने ओनियन गार्लिक त्यो अलिकति राखेर खाँदाखेरि मजा हुन्छ। अब अहिले मैले दिएको चाहिँ हात चिज हो।
हजुर
त्यसको पिज्जा अथवा बर्गर जेमा राखेर खाँदा
एकदमै डिलिसियस छ अङ्कल। Wow. It's so rich. I wish we could have seen the factory, but we are a little bit late for that. The making process is already done and they already have their cheese stored for today, so we're not going to be able to see that, but just being here, try the cheese. So we weren't able to get inside the factory because of the different time frame. We got here late. But anybody that wants to come and see the entire process, you guys can always be here at 6 a.m. in the morning, and he says it's roughly about 3 to 4 hours of work time before the cheese is ready to set. But what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to his goat farm. We're gonna see all the goats that give us the cheese. Let's go. It's raining. Look at how wet I already am. Where is it? बाख्राको पालन गर्ने कहाँ हो? खोइ थाहा भएन, हामी नयाँ मान्छे हो। Hey, I see the girl. I see the girl. These are some white girl, huh? Bah! 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 I think that one is jealous of me. I'm Mr. Studio Girl.
The baby goat. The baby goat.
They were say these guys were telling me it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain. It's raining. Chitlang. It's cold, it's wet. It's green. Bro, that goat cheese was so rich. Like, my tongue is still like super coated with that goat cheese fat. I can still taste it through my tongue. Nothing ever been, no other taste has been lingering around for that long. You know what I'm saying? Bah! Oh, it's raining. We're so hungry, but bah! 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 Let's go, let's go. It's raining. Bro, he told me like, oh, it's just around the school. This is like one of the biggest school. It's like 4 football fields. Mama, potatoes, all the lays, everything you got, they all come from here. Nepal potatoes. They call them alu. A-A-L-U. Double A-L-U. Alu. Which means potatoes. Then look at Prakash Bhai just walking in the rain alone. Lonely.
I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody
For my own, I'm so lonely.
Yeah. Lonely.
Our bikes and moped and everything has been like getting dusty since yesterday. Since the day we got out of the house, now they're getting look pre-shower. Mine is so clean already.
Mine too.
Yeah, that's right. Now watch out, it's super slippery. God damn. Alright, so our food is gonna get prepared. It's gonna take us like maybe 10-15 minutes, which we are not gonna complain about. It's raining outside. We're lucky we got a spot to sit right now. My jacket, that I only had this jacket, is so cold out there. It's wet already too. I can smell the bamboo shoots from the kitchen. Let me investigate it. Dai, तामाको बस्न आएर दामी तामा पनि छ क्या हो हाम्रो खानामा अलिअलि तामा पनि हालिदिनु न है बबाल रहेछ क्या खोइ त तामा कहाँ छ ए होइन म एकछिन आइदै दामी बास्ने क्या यसमा Guys, I can smell the bamboo shoot, like it smells so good. And people that haven't tried bamboo shoots, like they might think it's weird, but you don't know until you try it. It's amazing. So we're gonna try some. I cannot wait for that one. I'm sorry, I'm like intruding into their kitchen. Usually you can't just walk into the kitchens of other people, you know? It's rude, but I had to go smell. It smells so good and I'm so hungry. Always photo session with the boys. We're gonna eat, and then after the rain, hopefully, I pray to Lord that it stops very, very soon. It's kind of good, all the dust and everything on the roads. It's gonna be much more or less. So, lunchtime. Sat Dhara, 7 fountains. Look at these potato fields. Whoa. Whoa, this is something hidden. Bro, look at that. What? So it's like it's almost like that Muktinath spot, but it had 108 fountains, I believe. This one has 7. Look, check this place out, guys. This is a wonderful detour. Whoa. It's coming from there too, look at that. Look at this spot. That's all fresh water. And then we have a little bit of temple. A little bit of Ganesh. You know the drill. Sambo! And the tiny one. This is a cool spot. Look at this beautiful. Whoa, the water is actually pretty clean. Whoa. So if you go somewhere new and then you have no idea, you don't know where everything is, some hidden spots. We asked the uncle at the cheese factory and he told us that there was a tiny lake, a tiny pond and everything, but he never told us that it was so pretty out here. Look at this. The water, I can see through the water. It's so beautiful. This is insane. Look at this. You can see everything. There's even fishes. Fishes down there. Whoa. 처음에. Wow. Almost like a movie cinematic spot. And then they have like this tiny half submerged bathroom, I guess, I believe. It's a pretty cool detour spot. What do you guys think about this spot? This is nice. Some railings, water, like you could clearly see through. It was so awesome. Yes.